Hi, good day everyone. So we are going to do an Astable LED flasher with 555 timer integrated circuit. First, we are going to collect all the required components. So the materials needed are 555 timer integrated circuit, 3 10K resistors, 9 volts battery, 5 light emitting diodes, 9 volts battery holder, 100 microfarad electrolytic capacitor, and last is the breadboard full size. This is the schematic diagram that we are using. Take note that in this diagram, only one light emitting diode was used, but in the actual process, we will be using 5 light emitting diodes. Let's begin. Step 1. Place the center of the 555 timer integrated circuit over the break line of the breadboard. This is the location that all integrated circuits will need to be placed on your breadboard to avoid any problems. Push the pins of the 555 timer IC into the breadboard. The nearest dot or notch is pin number 1. Step 2. Place the 10K resistor between pin 8 and 7, and after that, get the other 10K resistor and place it between pin 7 and 6. Resistors have no polarity, so no need to worry about the orientation of our resistor. Step 3. Attach a jumper cable, one end at pin 6 of the 555 timer, the other end at pin 2 of the 555 timer. Capacitors are polarized, meaning yung positive ng capacitor is kailangan nakakonect doon sa positive or high voltage, while yung negative lead naman must be connected sa negative or low voltage. The negative lead of the capacitor will be marked with a band of differing color and a negative sign. Many times, yung mas mahabang lead ng capacitor will be positive 1 and yung maikli naman will be negative. Step 4. Attach the capacitor so that the positive lead is on the same column as pin 2 of the 555 timer and the negative lead is on the same column as pin 1 of the 555 timer. In light emitting diode, the longer leg is the positive side of the LED, and the shorter leg is the negative side. Step 5. The negative lead of light-emitting diode needs to be connected with the ground, which is pin 1. Next, attach the 10K resistor from pin 3 of the 555 timer to the positive lead of the light-emitting diode. Take note, the blinking LED circuit uses a 555 timer which generates a continuous output in the form of a square wave at pin 3. We already know that pin 3 gives the output. So going back, this waveform will turn the LED on and off. Step 6. Finally, connect the battery leads with the breadboard to start the power supply in the circuit. Connect the positive wire to the pin 8 and negative wire to pin 1. At this point, as long as everything is wired correctly, you should see that our light emitting diode are flashing.